hurricane victim of Katrina. He's a rescue. That's why he's missing one of his toes. He only talks whenever he wants attention. Whenever he talks, he says some not so nice words usually, or makes some car alarm noises, or laughs at you, or stuff like that. And I entice him out by bringing out the fish food. Actually, he's quite a pig. Actually, he's actually not eating the pellets. He's just chewing on the bag. He's wants a thing to chew on. And right next to him, right next to Charlie, say hi Charlie, or not, just kidding, is my dad's red devils, which are fish I got him because I thought that they would be mean. They're hiding there behind his log. I thought they'd be mean. Well, they did get big like I thought. They aren't quite done growing yet. They're a type of cichlid. They're in a 75-gallon right now. And, well, since this camera is waterproof, let's actually use it.